So question number 26, you see, Mr. A landowner enters into following agreement with PQR builder. Mr. A will transfer development rights to PQR builder, enabling PQR builder to construct a residential complex thereon. Okay. Now, the residential complex will consist of 25 residential units. In lieu of transfer of development rights, PQR builder will hand over full constructed 10 residential units to A. So, A is the landowner, PQR builder, transfer of TDR, the consideration is received. As this is in relation to residential, there is an exemption available. So, the time of supply will be, who will pay GST? The builder will pay GST. The time of supply will be completion certificate date or first occupation date, whichever is earlier will be taken. Okay. Then, so rest 15 units belong to PQR builder. Now, this is with respect to the inward supply to the PQR builder. So, first activity, Mr. A transfers the development rights. Consideration is 10 complete units. GST liability payable by PQR builder, and as there is an exemption available, so the time of supply will be completion certificate or first occupation, whichever is earlier. Now, outward supply of the PQR builder, total how many units they have constructed? 25. Out of the 25, 10 they are giving to the person, Mr. A. Now, PQR builder 10, handed over to landowner. What is the consideration? Development rights. What will be the time of supply? Again, special provisions, completion certificate or first occupation, whichever is earlier, because the value of these 10 flats are known at the time of completion certificate only. What about the remaining 15 units they are selling? So that they are selling it to others. So for which the consideration is money. So then we need to determine the time of supply as per normal provisions. That is, if invoice is issued within the due date, then invoice date or payment date, whichever is earlier. Otherwise, completion date or payment date, whichever is earlier. Actually, this question, I don't think so it will be asked in exam. So because this is, not given in study material, but what if they may be testing it? So that's why I just gave you one question related to that.